Hi, today I am tell you that how you make $dollars a day. To start the lecture, first of all, you can earn from freelancing that provided your own skill to the other people's like writing, designing, or video editing on site like Upwork or Fiverr. You can sell their own skills like writing, design, video editing. Uh, you can sell their own skills on Upwork and Fiverr. This is called freelancing, and you can earn 20 to you can earn the a lot of dollars from freelancing. There are a lot of opportunities from freelancing. You can earn the money from freelancing, and the second one is that you can make the one YouTube channel, and you can earn money from them. Like nowadays, YouTube automation channel. Nowadays, you can make the YouTube channel and earn from money from them. Like grow your finance channel and make money from ads, affiliate links, or digital products. You can earn money the three ways from the YouTube channels, like from ads, affiliate links, and digital products. Another one that is you can earn the money from promote the products. How you can promote the product on digital media? You can promote your own products. There are a lot of products you can sell them on like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. You can sell and you can promote your own brand, and you can sell their own products. And I'm tell you what is freelancing and how you earn from money from freelancing. I tell you first, and I explain again. Freelancing means offering your skill to client the business and project by project basis. You get paid for tasks like writing blog posts, designing logos for thumbnails, editing videos, building websites, doing voiceover, data entry, and where to start free. And first, you said that how you can earn the money from freelancing. That I'm said to first of all you that for example you have one skills like the video editing. So I'm go to the Fiverr that how was in demand on Fiverr the video editing. Let me show. The first person is charged 29,060 and the second one is 7,000 and the third one is 14,000, 10,000, and sorry 14 10,000 and the 19 10,000 PKR. And there are a lot of person sell their own skills on freelancing Fiverr and Upwork. You can see practically that how was the demand of video editing on Fiverr. And I am go to the another one, and the second one is second one I'm said that you how you earn money from YouTube. First of all, choose a niche with finance. Finance is a broad niche down for faster growth. For example, you have, for example, there are a lot of niche available in the your YouTube channel, and this one are very good. Finance is the best niche for the YouTube channel. And other one, person finance are beginners investing are for teen student. Crypto news, if invest and make money online, you side hustle business gets teach you how make and thus millions. Thanks for watching a skillful video. When you have like the video, you can subscribe my channel, and I bring the very best video for you. Thank you. Subscribe my channel.